something.
This is the place we are going to get, guys. Pemaquid Point Lighthouse Park. Okay.
We're driving to the end of the world.
We are driving to the end of the world according to my hubby. As you can see, we are close to our destination.
And then if you look out the window, you can see the smoke from the fires of hell.
Oh.
So I told you we were driving to the end of the world.
So out of this is oh my goodness. Are you ready to go out in a different world, bud?
Yep, let's go. I'm ready. As long as I'm with you, I'm ready.
Let's find out. We are on the Atlantic Ocean. And I am going to show you around. What is that? Oh my goodness! We find a wild turkey! Oh my goodness! We should get it.
We saw a wild turkey before we saw a moose or a deer.
We're almost there. Ah my goodness! Look at
We made it to the ocean.
So we need to pay $3 per person here, guys.
Yeah. Hello, how we doing?
Good.
Did you say that? Holy wow, this is beautiful here. It's only foggy. It's not that so clear. A tip of rocks. Holy moly, this is so beautiful. Where are you, bye? Come on. Come on, bye. Holy wow. Look at this here. Holy wow, look at that rocks. Oh, this is nice. Well, you did a great choice.
Hey Gopes, turn around and wave to me. Notice you back.
Look, what? This is beautiful, guys.
Yeah, it is. Pemaquid Point Lighthouse.
Okay.
Pemaquid.
Pemaquid.
Or Pemaquid.
Something like that. So this is here in Maine. Beautiful Maine.
Some lighthouse in Maine.
Yeah. Yeah, so that is the lighthouse right there. Holy wow, look at that.
Look at how the rocks are really smooth.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is how the rocks formation.
Careful, Gigi. Please be careful. Might be slippery. Look how gorgeously clear it is.
They're so pretty. But this is
That's right?
Yeah. We can eat this one. Are we allowed to get it? No?
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, this one is
You don't have
full.
anything to put it in.
Huh? This one also can be eaten.
Careful, it's slippery over here.
I think this one is the oyster pie.
No, oysters are big.
No, they're still baby. Guys, ang dami ditong tahong. Ayan, maliliit pa na tahong yan. Yung nangingitim. Ayan, tahong.
So that's wet. Watch the black stuff.
Also in freeze, it's like the worst people.
You do whatever you want.
Mr. Gosman, what can you tell about here?
There's a lot of rocks. There's a lot of water.
Uh-huh.
And that lighthouse up there is on the main state corridor. That's all
Right
I got
there.
for you.
Hold on. There, I can see it. There's the lighthouse right here. This rocks formation is really cool.
Be careful.
Dad, yeah, he's gonna fall down and die. Dad, am I concerned? I made it through the
No jumping. You can fall off the rock. Hey, Oopsie.
Hi, bye. Where are we?
Well, today is Friday,
Uh-huh.
June 25th, I think.
Yes, it is.
Pemaquid or Pemaquid, I don't know how it's pronounced. There you go.
That's
Beautiful
the
Atlantic coast of Maine.
lighthouse right there, here.
Gorgeous here. So I think we've got an update, Goopsie.
Yes, so
What did we find out on Wednesday?
on Wednesday, I met Dr. Charasa,
Yeah.
and
They had the results from the CT scan.
yeah, and it's kind of worst of what am I expecting.
Yeah.
So it's like, what was that? I
Well,
have
the colon is right next to the uterus, and it looks like either the cancer spread from the uterus to the colon or the colon to the uterus. But they're both involved now. Looks like part of your colon would be removed, and then also it looks like maybe in the lymph nodes too, possibly, right?
yeah. So there is also kind of lymph nodes going on, so it seems like my cancer is spread.
Yeah. But what do we say? Fuck you, cancer. Fuck you, cancer. We got this, buddy. We got it. So we know it's going to be surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, and we know that
Bye long hair. Oh, Jesus Christ.
we know that you have this light and spirit inside of you, and it just can't be. Nobody can turn that light on. It's amazing to watch you every day. The spirit that I see inside of you, the love and the positiveness that I see inside of you. And I just wish I could be more like you. You're an incredible person.
I'm trying to get more life because there's still lots of food that I did not try.
Yep.
So I tell my husband, pray for me that I will still get more life, because I need to try those foods that I haven't tried yet.
So far, in 36 years, she's only found one food she doesn't like, and that's goat. But everything else she eats like there's none left in the world. I'm pretty sure she has 2 hollow legs, and when she eats, it goes into her legs, because she eats about 3 times as much as I do, and I outweigh her by about 70 pounds. I outweigh you, and you eat 3 times more than I do.
Oh my goodness, it seems like that is karma from the food.
So when she says, for sure, when she says she still has lots of foods that she needs to try, that's true. So we keep on fighting, and every day we say, F you, cancer. Not in anger, I don't think, just in positive.
Yeah, well,
F you, we got this.
I don't feel that I am anger. I am just like, I'm just asking why did it happen. But I know from lots of people I heard also that is all their question, but you really cannot stop if these things going to happen to you. No one else is chosen, but it will just like come. Like it was just happened that I have this pain going on, and so yeah, I have lots of testing and everything, and this is what it came out.
Yeah. Well,
So I said, this is my new journey.
Yep.
And I will just keep going.
And just like everything else in life, we're going to make it an adventure.
Yeah.
For Post of the Explorer. Keep on exploring.
Keep on exploring. There you go. That's the right word right there.
Loves you, bye.
Loves you too. And bye-bye for now. And we are going to explore you in different corner here in Boogs. I will try. It's not slippery though. You got it. Woo. Yeah. Bell.
They have radar things in them so they can locate their traps.
Oh. Oh, that is cool. Well, these are the inns that is close to the Pemaquid Point Lighthouse. This is very beautiful here, very relaxing. Right there.
And there's some
Hotel
more over there.
Pemaquid. Ah, that's cute. And there's another one here. Carriage House, Hotel Pemaquid, established 1888. That is cool. And at the back of this is the ocean. Holy wow! Look at this. Holy wow! Look at this view right here.
Yeah, not a
Boy,
bad
what
view.
can you say? This view right here.
Absolutely stunning.
Beautiful place.
Stunning.
Holy wow!
There's supposed to stone house right
Holy
there.
wow!
Tennis court. See the planter out in the tree?
Yeah,
Jeez,
that's very cute.
pretty stunning.
Not cute, very stunning. Holy wow!